Hello friends. Endangered marine mammals. K. Shankar Pillai. He is remembered not only as a cartoonist but also as founder of Children's Book Trust. An ornamental set of 6 stamps on orchids of India. Mozart, a child prodigy. He amazed and astounded the whole Europe with his compositions. Centenary of National Council of YMCA, the Young Men's Christian Association. A set of 4 spectacular stamps, Yogasana. Diamond Jubilee of Number 1 Squadron, Indian Air Force. The stamp shows the then inducted Westland Wapiti biplane. The insignia is the tiger. The squadron is fondly called as the Tigers of the Sky. 4 mountain locomotives of yesteryears. The 4 routes are Neral Mathiran, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Kalka Shimla Railway. Birth centenary of Professor P.C. Mahalanobis, the statistician and planner. On the background is Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. Centenary of election to the House of Commons. Dadabhai Naoroji was the first non-white to be elected to British Parliament. His narration on the first day cover is noteworthy. Centenary of Chicago Address, Swami Vivekananda. Golden Jubilee of College of Military Engineering, Khadki, Pune. Birth centenary of Professor Meghanath Saha, the physicist, shown along with the solar eclipse. He developed the theory of thermal ionization, which is considered as the cornerstone of theoretical astrophysics. Master Dinanath Mangeshkar, the great vocalist and actor of Marathi stage. Nargis Dutt, along with the symbol of Spastic Society which she founded. The most memorable role she played was in and as Mother India. The cancellation depicts the still from film Mother India. 50th anniversary of Indian National Army. The depiction shows Netaji inspecting the army. Birth centenary of Professor Satyendranath Bose, the physicist. The basic particles which go into the making of this universe have to be classified into 2 and only 2 categories. There is no third category required as yet. One category is named as fermions and the other category is named as boson. A pride for India. 75th anniversary of Jallianwala Bagh martyrdom. Cover shows remnants of the walls which witnessed the event. Khudabakhsh Oriental Public Library, Patna. The velvety stamp depicts the oldest painting of Taj Mahal taken from a book titled Badshah Nama housed in this library. This book is a complete history of Badshah Jahangir. J.R.D. Tata, the navigator of Tata conglomerate, the pioneer of civil aviation in India. St. Xavier's College, Bombay. 100 Years of Cinema, Lumiere brothers gave the first show of the cinema in Paris. 50th anniversary of Prithvi Theatre, Bombay. The depiction shows Prithviraj Kapoor and the present building of Prithvi Theatre. Prithvi Theatre is a unique combination of son's creation to commemorate father's passion. Louis Pasteur working in his laboratory. 100 years of discovery of X-rays. W.C. Rontgen discovered X-rays and got the first Nobel Prize of Physics in the year 1901. The first day cover shows the world's first official X-ray taken by Rontgen. Sant Tukdoji Maharaj. On the background is Grama Sabha. Dear friends, thanks a lot for being with me. See you again.